Okay guys, this coolant leakage is really sad, you know, for a new bike. You can see, you know, I'm losing a lot of fluid, you know, in a short period of time. I really need to, you know, check this out. Alright, let's hit the road, guys. And I'm gonna go right here to show you this beautiful view on the Vis city. Take a look at the view, guys. This is what these islands are known for, and this is what this Vis island specifically is known for. Incredible view, guys, incredible. I'm pretty confident that the camera cannot pick this up fully and realistically, but you know, just colors, landscape, and everything, you know, here is simply from another level. You can see up there, there's a great road from that we're gonna ride on later. Beautiful. Okay, time to move on, guys. There's so many places I want to show you this time. So guys, panoramic view on the Vis city, on the island called Vis. So on to next viewpoint, guys. Next viewpoint is just around the corner. You see over there is a Czech villa. This is a place that you will most probably, you know, see if you ever go here. Touristical attraction, but has a historical value. Amazing view. I just stopped to take a picture, and I could take a picture, you know, literally, you know, here again, and it would be completely different. I just haven't realized I'm driving on the left side. Okay, guys. So guys, if you ever find yourself on island Vis and in the Vis city, most likely you will go up here, you know, to chill out a little bit. So definitely my recommendation, if you're ever here, you know, take a few minutes, take a breath here, you know, relax. You'll value every second of it. And I'm on a south entrance to the Vis city. Now I'm gonna loop around an island and show you beautiful road that, you know, goes around an island. So the road is so beautiful that I'm not gonna talk much, you know. I'll let you enjoy for a few minutes in a beautiful place like this, and it only takes around 10 kilometers via this road, northern road. There's also southern road, a little longer. Takes only, you know, like a 10 minutes or so to get to a city called Komiza. So enjoy, guys. can see an amazing view on the city called Komiza. And this is the best part of the road. And of course there's always a white van, you know, obstructing a view. Amazing view, guys. And you can see this is a entrance to the city Komiza. That over there is a main church here. So I'm gonna just visit the city to show you how beautiful this place is. That over there is island called Biševo. That in the distance is Sušac. It's literally like a rock sticking out from the sea.